Hi, this is Beth at Gray Barn Media. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own virtual background that is actually fun and animated in your Zoom calls using a free tool called Canva. So if you don't have a Canva account, what you want to do to get started is go to canva.com and sign up. If you haven't done so already, you can try out the 30-day free trial to be a Canva Pro member, as we will be downloading video files. So to download video files, you do need to be a Canva Pro member at this time. And once you do that, you're ready to get started. So once you've upgraded or you've logged into your Canva account, if you click Create Design, and click Custom Dimensions, you want to create an a graphic that is 1280 by 720 pixels. If you click Create Design, you now have a blank canvas to start working on. On this left-hand side, you're going to see that there's different elements that you can pull in. So the animated elements is under the Elements tool. If you click Elements and scroll down, you're going to see stickers. If you click See All on stickers, you're going to see the various animated stickers that Canva has available. There's emoji stickers, there's shapes, there's word stickers. Let's see, there's confetti, and then you have them sort of all pulled in through results. So let's pull on a few of these stickers here just to give an idea. So say we want some stars. And again, this is for a Zoom background. So you want to pull your graphics to the exterior of your design here. Say we want this hashtag symbol. You can adjust it by pulling on the corners. All right, let's say we wanted to pull in a unicorn. So if you go in the search bar of Canva, you can pull in all these different unicorns. Let's see what there is. We'll pull in this one. And again, you can change the colors of this unicorn if you like. If you'd like to change out the body color from this pink and you want to make it, say, a hot pink, you can go ahead and do that by just clicking on the graphics. So the stars you can't necessarily change the colors for, but this unicorn you can, because you can see how you have the option up here in these different color swatches. So say we have this unicorn, and say we wanted to pull in we have this hashtag, and say we wanted to add love to it. So I'm going to adjust it by just clicking the corners and pull it down. Maybe I can pull it down a little bit more, make it smaller, because I have to remember that my face or your face is going to go in the middle here. Let's see if we would like to add in some emoji stickers, some confetti. Let's see what confetti we can add in here. This one looks kind of fun. So if we were to add in some confetti, we can adjust it and say we want the confetti to go, let's say it's behind the unicorn. So another tool that you may or may not know of in Canva is the position tool. If you click position, you can position the confetti to go in back of the unicorn so the unicorn is more pronounced. Okay, so we have confetti with the unicorn, the stars, the hashtag, and the love writing. So say we wanted to change up the background. So if you click on the left-hand side, you click background. You can just choose a color, which here's your black, which might look sharp. If you wanted to not mess with this and test out other backgrounds, you can copy your graphic by clicking this upper right-hand corner, copy page. It will just make page 2, same thing. If you click on page 2, you see this little blue bar. That means that it's active. And say we wanted to add in some clouds. And I just tap it once, it comes in. So, all right, kind of like that. So now I have page 1 and I have page 2. So say now I wanted to download, say this is it, I wanted to download it. If I click this download arrow, I can click video and I can select the pages. So say I wanted each of these pages to be downloaded independently. So say I wanted page 1 to be downloaded. The other option, instead of downloading each page as a separate video file, is to combine them together. So what we just did was downloaded page 1. So say we wanted to download pages 1 and 2. And we wanted to pull those together into one video. We can do that too by just clicking 1 and 2 and then clicking download. Perfect. Now it's been downloaded. So if we open up a new tab and we start our Zoom call, we're going to start a meeting with our video on. We're going to open. I'm just going to pull this over here to show you. Here we go. I had this video background set up. My daughter set this up. So let's go to this. On this bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see stop video, and next to it, you're going to have this arrow. If you choose virtual background, it gives you the options. Now, these are all the virtual backgrounds I've been playing around with. They're kind of fun, where you can see I have the I have a love, I have my unicorns and stars, I have my birthday graphics, I have my coffee, because who doesn't need it? And if you click the plus button and click add video, and you can go to your download folder, I'm going to click the one that has the two of them together. Oh, there we go. We have our unicorn with the confetti behind it, our stars and our love, and it should switch. Oh, there we go, to the clouds. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I can be reached at hello@graybarnmedia.com. You can reach out to me through my website, my YouTube channel, Instagram, just DM me. I'm happy to help you in any way to make this a fun Zoom experience for you all.